Hello guys, in this video we are going to see a WordPress blog AI agent which can post blogs on WordPress and generate images at the same time. And not even that, it can record your keywords, references and backlinks and use them in later blog posts. So let's start and see a quick demo. So, for example, I can reset the last session. And first of all, this is our post currently, top tourist attraction in Paris and Hello World. These two are our blog posts. Let's see. Post a blog on France tourist attractions with image. And now we can send our request, and as you can see it already start working. It is working right now. It is generating the image. And now look, we see we have a new blog post by the name Discover France Top Tourist Attractions. And if I click on it, here is my blog. Discover France Top Tourist Attractions. The Eiffel Tower, it also generated an image. That's great. And here is our result. So it generated the image too. So now if we see, this is our Google Sheet where we store all the data automatically with the help of our AI agent. In this, our AI agent also stores content, keywords, preferences, backlinks, all by its own. So it stored two blog post backlinks and title that we have seen. So this is just a quick demo of this project. If you need a full tutorial for it, then comment tutorial and I will soon come up with a tutorial of it. Or if you want me to build these kind of workflows for you or your business, then contact me at my email that is given in description.